afternoon. Cooking up, lost in the deep night feelings, kicking up dust in the streets, love bleeding on, bleeding on. Oh no, you're good and I'm good, so I should stop talking. But it's late and I'm baked. Listen up, listen up.
Welcome to the opening game of the Elite Division. The standard is simply exceptional at this level, and there are no easy games. Both sides want to grab the 3 points at stake, and he's back in possession. Reading really well there. Striker's ball. This player is taking on the opposition. Tackles. It's a well-timed tackle. Hazard. Oh, well timed. With the striker. Well timed there. Good defender. Really well there. He's got the ball at his feet. The shot time, straight in. This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Let's see that again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Good ball. What's the referee going to do here? It's gone off lightly in my opinion, it's just a warning. Can he finish it? Is this a goal? Oh, he's missed it! Let's take another look at that. Keeper plays it short there. For now. The striker. Not a good challenge. Aldo is and that's out for a goal kick. Launched upfield by the keeper. ball. There's an opening here. The taken goal. Found the top corner with ease, and he gave the goalkeeper little chance. Full finish, a great goal there. Here's how he found the net. It's 2-0 now. Perisic. With the striker. Surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. A well-timed tackle. Striker's ball. That's a rash challenge there. We all know what this player can do from this kind of set piece.